Here's a quick step-by-step guide showing you how to change your Amazon language settings. Start by opening Amazon in your web browser and signing into your account. Changing the language on desktop updates your account across all devices. Look at the top of the Amazon homepage. You'll see a small globe icon or a flag icon next to the Account and Lists menu. Click on it. This opens the language and region settings. From the list, choose the language you want Amazon to display. Common options include English, Spanish, German, French, Portuguese, and more. Select your language and click Save Changes. If Amazon is still showing content in another language, scroll below the language section. You'll see a Change Country Region option. Select your preferred region so Amazon can show the correct currency and product availability. After saving your settings, refresh the page. Your Amazon interface, menus, recommendations, and emails will now appear in your selected language. You can also update language settings inside the Amazon mobile app. Open the app, tap the menu button, Settings, Country and Language. Choose your preferred language and region, then restart the app. And that's it. Your Amazon language settings are now updated.